All right, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to duplicate this again. And now I want to add a image to the background. And let's say I want to add an element. It's an image element. So I'm going to click on there. And you've got a bunch of different image options right here. So I'm going to type in a birthday cake. Now we've got graphics. We also have photos of cakes. We also have frames. We also have some videos and some audio. Well, I'm just going to take in one of these graphics. There you go. There's a nice one. Now you notice that, oops, the image is in front of the text. That's the wrong order of things, right? So if we click on the image, right here up at the top, you'll see position. And now you can see, you can arrange it, or you can go to layers and you can see, okay, we've got the cake on top, the text in the middle, and the background in the background. We're going to move this up to the top. Alternatively, you can move the cake down, doesn't really matter. There you go. And that changes the position of where the text is versus the cake. I'm going to click on the cake background and notice it's highlighted right there. I'm just going to delete it for right now. And this time I'm going to add in, I'm going to see all, and let's look at this cake right here. Now notice this cake is a full picture, right? It wasn't just an image. So this is a full photograph. I'm going to drag that to the corners. I'm going to highlight it again, and I'm going to go to position. And this time I'm going to arrange it by pushing it backwards. There you go. Now, I don't like the position of this happy birthday anymore. I'd like it to be up here. So I'm going to just highlight this. I'm going to change the size of it right there. I'm going to make sure it's in the center. And notice I'm waiting for that little center line to show up and drop it. There we go. Now you may want to put the person's name on here. Well, just go back over to the text and you're going to add a heading. I'm going to drag that down here. I'm going to highlight the whole thing and let's say happy, just put my name, Jeff. That kind of looks ridiculous though, doesn't it? With this text being one, this text being completely different. So you may want to change it back to, this text was Nick Ainley. So I'm going to click here, highlight this, and I'm going to change this one to Nick Ainley also. And you can just search it, Nick. There we go. There we go. Now the text is the wrong color. Since we're on a blue cake, we might want to change it blue. So I'm going to highlight this again. I'm going to go to the color. And now this time I want to choose a color from the image. So I'm going to go to add a color. I'm going to choose the little water droplet right here. And I'm going to choose a color from here. See if I can't figure this out. For some reason it's picking red. I don't know why it's choosing red. Let's change my color palette here. Add a color. And let's change it to blue. I think I lost the highlighting there. There we go. Let's just change this to blue. There we go. So that's how you do that. Adding text to an image that's in the background. I'm going to click share. I'm going to download this. And again, I can choose JPEG and download. And we'll just call this happy birthday. Now you notice when I downloaded it, it downloaded an entire zip file. And that's because when I clicked share and download, it said all 3 pages. If you just want to download the one image, you would uncheck that and just download that single image. And download. There you go. So now it downloaded the individual image. If I wanted to see the rest of those images, I'd have to unzip this file right here, this folder, right click on it, and click extract all. A little window will pop up, say where do you want to extract it. I'm just going to extract it into the same folder. And now it placed a new folder here that's not zipped. And those are the 3 files that were in there. Blow that up a little bit more. All right, so let's choose a Facebook. Let's create a Facebook cover, okay? So I'm going to go to my Facebook page in the next video, and we'll go and create a Facebook cover from scratch.